It'd be even better if you didn't make a transition there. Oh, is it time for the flashback?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Cue the bongos.
What's this place?
Uh-oh, she does not look good. Oh my god.
What is that face? What? Hello, Knuckles. I've never been. Is there anyone or anything capable of making me feel scared? I like this little defense stance. I wish.
That seems very unlike what they've been saying.
I know.
Not even too long ago. So
life is always changing and it's never permanent.
The subplot I've been getting from these people is that they like to fight wars to get resources. Tikal doesn't like it, and something happened to her grandfather? Or her father?
Yeah, you pretty much got it so far. I'm impressed.
She's
that
like,
you've been able to keep up.
She's like, war is bad, which of course it is, obviously. And they're like, no, we need it to live.
Right, Star? I'm impressed.
Look, I only took a small nap during Sonic's campaign, that's it.
We must find Tikal.
Wait, what am I supposed to listen for?
With the horrible singing?
Oh, I said, did we miss the sound that you're trying to have us listen to? Or is it still coming up? Oh, I can't. You're right, listen closely because we can't hear her. Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
They do not sound cute. Logan and Easy Mode are dead starving in the hotel stuff.
Uh-oh, Chaos.
Like,
Is Chaos Origins? Is this where he came to? Just he wanted to listen to the Chow sound?
What was that?
mystical being.
I wonder if I'm dreaming.
I wonder, Amy.
Oh my! I need to get out of this place!
Oh.
Oh, I did not know that. That's why it's all jellified.
I was like, it's water. It's got a brain. It looks more like a Morpha than it does any Chow. That's not even in the same
Jelly Man
is.
Steins Gate. Get a load of this.
What was that? I can't hear you.
The wind is really loud. Welcome back, Amy. Sonic's playing the piano.
Something I do like is how it has the other characters with their like accessories, like how Tails has his ribbon.
Oh yeah.
Sonic had his crystal ring or crystal bracelet or whatever.
Sonic's just doing a little jig. Get a load of this.
So is Amy gonna have to fight Gamma?
Yeah, me neither, Star. Did he eat it?
He's got.
Oh god,
no!
you're
She
right.
just watches Sonic fight him.
Yeah, she just intervenes here.
This reminds me of those the flashback music in Kingdom Hearts 2 when you're first starting the game.
Oh yeah. It also has like a Pokemon Mystery Dungeon vibe for some reason.
Imagine it's just a completely different Gamma model. Doesn't know anything about her.
Amy.
This one's just like kill all birds. I hate them.
I guess I'll let him go then.
I know I'm supposed to be emotional here, but the wind is too loud.
Right.
And the egg carrier
they-
music restarted again.
Wait, I didn't realize Tails said something there at the too.
I didn't hear a thing. Whoa.
Okay.
You do you, Sonic. I think he's already gone in.
What is he doing? He's dancing.
Damn, I'm a girl and I like shopping. Because we're friends. The birdie's like, I can't breathe.
Alright, Tails takes Amy off of the egg carrier.
Right, right. Wee!
It's like Gamma can help himself.
The bird is like, get the heck away from me, you weirdo. Oh no, not again.
Here's your theme again.
Yeah. Yeah, no, he was kind of just schmoovin'.
Now they're moving when they don't need to. He's like, bye.
Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my god, can you do something with your life, Amy, please?
Oh wait, so basically she has the same conclusion that Tails does. That they can't rely on Sonic for everything.
Yeah, they didn't establish the Chaos Emerald at all throughout that story.
Yeah. We still got, like... Whoa, that's jarring.
No,
Oh, now
it's
it's
the cars that are too loud, Star.
No.
There's only one stage left.
Only 3 stages.
Oh my god, Star.
No, there's no music for like 5 seconds, and then I'll switch.
Gotta head back to the old ruins. What?
The trolley.
This playthrough has really made me realize how short this game can be when you know what you're doing.
Wow.
But I don't have a problem with shorter games, though. It's just funny to me.
Robotic Land.
I think so, Star, because there's not even a hub world. You just go through the stages, you marathon them, and the game's over.
You know, I know even less about Sonic Adventure 2. Just the real-time fandom.
Yeah. Oh!
I don't remember this bridge.
It seems pretty noticeable.
I sure wonder if Eggman's here.
Wanna go?
Did the Flicky always have that pendant around its neck?
I think it did.
Okay, I was like, I hope they didn't just... No, I haven't. I've seen clips of it, but I haven't watched the actual entire thing.
I think it's because Amy had him in a chokehold that we didn't see. But anywho, it's already time for final egg.
Oh, this puzzle again.
Giga Brain strats required.
There you go.
Let's see how he gets it.
It seems like the puzzle that you could clear in either like 2 moves or like 50.
Mm-hmm. Or just randomly running around will solve it eventually.
There you go.
Hey.
Final egg. Me when I haven't bought a new carton of eggs and
Guess who's
I'm
back?
making breakfast.
Not you again.
Oh no, perfect. It's weird whenever they actually show expression on their faces.
Yeah. This stage is even shorter than Hot Shelter. We just get the chill final egg music.
Oh,
I don't think we do start. I think it's only this song.
oh, what's that? It's like the things in
Uh-oh.
Galaga.
Huh?
Oh, there goes the rings.
Get out of here, you bucket of bolts.
You bag of bolts.
Egg of bolts, my bad.
No problem.
Oh yeah, you gotta wait for the elevator. I sure hope Zero doesn't catch me.
Bro, Hop-O-Matic 4000 or 7000 or whatever.
You're right, Star. Normally he'd be chasing me all over the boxes. You know what? Better off this way.
Nope, there he is. I'm assuming I didn't see him completely.
Yeah, he always loves to burst out. Jump scare style.
I was expecting him to burst out there, honestly. I guess those lights are supposed to alert Zero to your presence.
Find the right door.
Is it
The
random
old-
each time?
Riveting gameplay. I'm not sure, actually.
I bet it's on the last store you pick.
Oh no. The spotlights are on you the whole time, but nothing happens.
Maybe it has something to do with the lights.
Oh no.
Because I want to.
Gaming gameplay.
This one has two.
Watch it not be this one. Ooh, nice. This part, I think you need to get the vault to get in. Yep.
Oh, is it a technique that's actually intended to be in the game?
Yeah.
Okay.
It can be tricky because Zero's right there, but start timed it early.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it for stages.
Well, I'm assuming probably a boss somewhere, and then that's it for Amy's story.
We sure found his family.
I saw no sign of your relatives, Birdie.
Oh.
You escaped from the egg carrier. So maybe your family's still in there. Let's investigate, wanna?
Let's backtrack.
Oh gosh.
We actually have never been to the egg carrier after it crashes.
Oh yeah, I guess it would have crashed by now, huh?
It'll be a little different. Now we just gotta make our way back. There's a different way to get there. What? Yup. Should I say yeah?
Oh, it doesn't even tell him what year or anything. That's frustrating.
They also don't tell you how to get to the new egg carrier.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I can't remember. Maybe an NPC does. Probably.
Oh, I'm almost positive an NPC would. There has to be at least one, right? That would help. Or the little red spheres.
True. Why does she keep making the noise?
She does not like those branches. And or climbing up a ladder,
Amy, shut up, please.
please.
Ooh. Make it stop. I swear, all the seriousness has just gone as we make our way through each campaign.
Right. If there even was any to begin with.
Very true.
There's
So you gotta go under here now.
Carrier crash site.
Oh, it doesn't even tell you where the crash site is.
There's a little raft.
Okay, raft.
We made it. Oh, same star. That'd be crazy.
A random zoom into her face.
The family!
It's Din, Nehru, and Ferror. Uh-oh. What's happening?
Ah!
Oh my gosh, she just got killed.
Zero.
No.
Now Amy's angry.
Dude, did you hear it scream? It is dead. Right?
It's time for the only boss battle Amy has.
He deserves death, dude. Are you kidding me?
It's revenge time. Here we go. Hero only takes 3 hits. The old Mario magic number.
That's true. Except for that one, that doesn't count. Oh, you gotta take him to the edge.
Mm-hmm. Then
Oh, I
the
see,
button
okay.
pops out.
Yep.
Oh my god, the stupid song plays for the boss fight too. Making mincemeat of him. He gets more aggressive, but they're able to get him real quick.
Yeah, looks like it.
There you go.
Nothing screams video game logic like having a bright blue shining button on your under your head for people to hit with a hammer once you get knocked into an electric fence.
No way.
Zero can't believe this. He can't believe anything anymore. Dead.
I can't
he
believe
deserves
it's
to be
not
dead,
butter.
too.
Flicky!
Birdie,
I'm sure it'll live. It's like a Sonic game, but
are you okay? Can you fly?
that doesn't look okay.
No.
Oh yeah, it's fine. That was a fast
Flicky.
recovery.
Fly! No!
Oh no!
The way the music cut off.
Right? Oh, okay, never mind. It's fine.
AK LOL. Okay, but the way the song abruptly ends, dude, I
Right.
tried laughing the first time. Hooray! Save the
That's
bird.
all. Dude, I'm so glad I didn't see that.
I was waiting for it. It's like that video of the guy who was drunk and he thought the bear died when going into the river.
No!
No!
Yeah,
I
it's a
agree.
nice little side story.
It's a little, it's wholesome. Amy has no personality whatsoever, but oh well.
I would prefer not to, honestly, Amy, but
Oh god. Oh god. And that's it.
they had to
Wow.
throw that in at the end, didn't they?
That's Amy's story. I don't know. As much as the story's pretty wholesome and all that, Star and I agree that the stages can be a bit tedious.
It didn't seem necessary, but more gameplay is more gameplay, I guess. Not
It
that
is
it's
what
all
it is.
anything.
Oh, the full version of the song. This wannabe Britney Spears whispering. A little too intense for a 12-year-old, if you ask me.
Yeah. What?
No way. I'm sure you just misheard it, Star.
Oh my god. Why is that a lyric?
He's don't worry about it. These songs. Man. Amy Dennis.
Yeah.
It was just it's so short. It's like, what is there to say? Sweet, sweet.
It might be saying, yeah, sweet, sweet girl, so sweet.
I think so. Honestly, I don't mind the endings being included in the video. We get to give our thoughts on this campaign and then move on.
Oh, Whack-a-Sonic. Hey, at least that's her way she can pound Sonic.
Oh my god. Yeah, the upgrade you get for coming back is a longer hammer.
Okay.
Not like you need it with how quickly Star destroyed Zero.
Right.
I did not brush it off. I was busy wheezing.
I was making a joke.
I hate the whispering, dude. Why are they whispering? I'm a girl.
It's Stan Katayama.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh well. Don't worry, in her future appearances, she's the exact same.
Right. Yeah, I remember playing Heroes. She's basically the
my
same.
boyfriend. Because I say so. The definition of like, oh, tomorrow's my wife's boyfriend's anniversary.
Yeah, Cartoon Sonic Boom did a lot of good things.
Right. I love seeing. I saw so many videos of clips from the show over the years, dude, on Twitter. Knuckles the feminist. It's really good. Like he's like, ah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. The balloon.
They're like, oh god, what else can we show?
Zero imploding.
Sorry, and I keep praising Gamma's story, but that's gonna have to wait. There's a big obstacle in the way.
Oh no.
Oh
I pity
man.
Let me go through that. Or well, deciding to go through that.
You took one for the team, Star.
But if you
You
have to
really
do it
did.
for the secret episode or whatever, then
Dude. Well, Luke, I hope you enjoyed how wholesome this story was, because next time when we come back, we're going to be tackling Big the Cat.
oh
He is a choice. That's what we'll say. He's a choice.
yeah. Oh, her grocery bag
Back
is
to my daily life of shopping.
her grocery bag is closed, but there's still stuff
Oh my
anywhere.
god, Star.
Anyways, bye.